Predicting the performance of pre-trained neural networks on multiple tasks without fine-tuning them is a challenge. The traditional method is computationally costly, while modern methods are limited to single tasks. This paper introduces EMS, which transforms varied task labels into a unified format, allowing for the prediction of a model's effectiveness across tasks efficiently. Amazon is rolling out a new generative AI feature that is designed to help shoppers determine at a glance what other customers said about a product before they spend time reading through individual reviews. Fooocus is an image-generating software that is offline, open source, free, and does not require manual tweaking. The US government is getting serious about regulating AI, with proposals focused on new rules, oversight institutions, funding for research, and expanding the expert workforce. However, the area remains slippery as the technology rapidly evolves. Key players like OpenAI and Microsoft have endorsed new government licensing and auditing for advanced AI models, but the specifics remain contested. Efficient RGB-D semantic segmentation helps mobile robots understand their environment. While depth data offers useful geometric insights, it can be noisy. This paper introduces a streamlined network that uses less computing power but remains robust, blending color and depth features effectively. There are lots of cloud providers popping up for fine-tuning or serving AI workloads. It is hard to know which one to choose over another one. This guide gives a pretty great set of heuristics to decide which cloud to run your jobs on. Apple is using an internal chatbot to help its employees prototype future features, summarize text, and answer questions based on data it has been trained with. 3D detectors often fail when used in unfamiliar settings, causing a huge drop in detection rates due to changes in tools, places, or weather. This project proposes a self-training system that adapts to different litter types by creating accurate fake labels. Mississippi 3D++. Humane plans to share more about its mysterious AI-powered wearable on the same day as a solar eclipse in October. This project introduces a new tool called Dataset DM that can make endless fake images along with detailed labels, like which part is which object or how far things are in the image. This is great for training computer vision systems, and by using just a small set of real photos, the synthetic ones help achieve top results in tasks like identifying objects or editing images. Generative AI is extremely hyped, but does it deserve it? Many professionals have still not found a good use for ChatGPT multiple months after its release. In this article, Gary Marcus explores the possibility that we are too confident in our assumptions that generative AI will be world-changing. AI.com now redirects to x.AI, a company that aims to understand the true nature of the universe. OpenAI had seemingly purchased this domain back in February, but it looks like Musk swooped in. The economist Matt Clancy and research scientist Tame Besarolu debate what happens to the economy when intelligence becomes extremely cheap. Kyligence Copilot is an AI assistant that runs analysis against your KPIs to generate business summaries, identify high-risk tasks, guide you to find root causes, and even bring suggestions like a domain expert.